So things are not well with Themba Mliswa, and he issued a statement after the leaking of the audios. So, as I said in our earlier broadcasts, Themba Mliswa is now fighting with Bopela. But I can tell you that it's not Bopela who leaked these audios. It's not Bopela. Akatambwa chekuseri Themba nevanhu vaanga asiri kufungidzira. The people who were assigned to work with him from number one's office ndo vanhu vari kumutamba chekuseri vavo, and he doesn't even know about it. Ndo mashandira zviri kuita. So when you see Mnangagwa going down, he will go down straight from his office, not from any other office. It's not ZANU-PF, it's not any other thing, but ku-president office ndokuri kubva nyaya dzese ku-OPC ndokwazvinodhakirwa. So Themba says that all I say in private, I can still repeat in public. That's why I don't worry about being recorded. That guy, Bopela, came seeking assistance in his business, and I gave him practical advice that you can't fight government, but you have to work with it for your business. I still stand with that. And Inini, let me tell you the truth about this whole issue. It's not Bopela who contacted Themba. It's Themba who got in touch with Bopela because Themba believes Kuti he does have a role to convince my business people so that they do not fund General Chiwenga. So imagine a situation where General Chiwenga's camp is funded. Imagine a situation where probably the opposition also is well funded by disgruntled business people. It won't be okay for the Mafidi dynasty. Remember, these people, they are scared that Chamisa might bounce back. So they are trying by all means possible to talk to each and every business person. And Themba had that mandate. So Bopela is not the only person he talked to. He talked to several people, including Bopela. And what is coming after Themba is something which is going to surprise everyone, because they think they are the untouchables. But what has been leaked so far are just the critical parts of the conversation, such that they know everything happening is known, it's well controlled. At the end of the day, you start to fight with people who have nothing to do with your own political fights. It's not Bopela who leaked these audios. I can tell you this, but they have nothing to believe other than to say it's Bopela. So he went on to write a composition about everything which is happening, and he says that motikari dzaanadzo dzakabva kuparliament, you can verify through parliament. He says he bought the other car, and he does have proof. Then he's talking about character assassination. Who is assassinating another person right here? Because it's Themba trying to assassinate the character of the VP. Right now, zvinhu zvadzoka zvaakurwisa iye akuchema pari kuridzwa mhere inonzi mhere iya. So he's talking about having sources. He's saying that he can prove sources for each and everything he does have, and he's claiming that is asking for accountability and transparency. How do you ask for accountability and transparency? By declaring Kuda Kwashe Tagwirei the best foot forward and trying to convince people to support Mnangagwa and Kuda Tagwirei? Is that seeking transparency? No, definitely no. Yeah, by telling us kuti motikari dzese dzakatengerwa masoja dzakatengwa naKuda Kwashe Tagwirei, is that seeking transparency and accountability? No, you are simply praising a state capture. Those are kupemberera. Saka, how do you reach such a conclusion? And remember, kuti you are coming at a point where vakanzi they are corrupt, they must be investigated. You know, pauri kumhanya kuataka General Chiwenga because he's raising such issues. Nyaya dzaGeneral Chiwenga dzecorruption hadzinotanga nhasi. Before vataura kuti Kuda Kwashe Tagwirei ngaasungwe, before vataura Chivhayo ngaasungwe nevamwe vesa, why wanga usiri kuunza mafaira esa uri kuti uri kuunza against the general? Those are very important and pertinent questions which you need to address, Mr. Themba Mliswa, if you are serious. And also, simple issues contained in the law. I do not see where Bopela is coming in right here, because he's not the one with issues against the law or whatsoever. He's a man who you approached iwewe uchitaura naye, but you know, as usual, people try to get in touch with you, say that they get to know some things zviri kuitika. So he then says that I considered Bopela a brother and a friend, and tried to help. Iwe unobatsira munhu sei? Iye munhu akaluza 5 million, unomubatsira sei munhu akaluza 5 million, akabirwa 5 million, womunzwa kuti hanzi just ignore whatever which happened, let us focus on my permanent interest. What kind of interest are you talking about? It doesn't matter kuti makaendesa vana mese kuchikoro, it doesn't matter kuti munowirirana zvakaita sei. What matters is chihurumende chiripo ndechenhema and ndechemanga-manga. Chihurumende chiri kurarama nekubira vamwe. So you know, Temba himself, he does have a lot to answer. That there is that guy ari kuclaima Temba akandibira zvinhu zvangu, akanditorera zvinhu zvangu. Temba does not want to address all those allegations, does not want to address all those issues, but is busy running around trying to please just a few individuals. Tatenda says, waitangirei musindo. Child care is not a walk in the park, but if you are not ethical, you end up like you, surviving on corruption, extortion, and dirty handouts. Those zviri kuitika. And it's now a mess to Temba and these allies, because they've survived for far too long on dirty money, dirty cash, and they do not want to be held accountable for their actions. So I think everyone is praying for a day when accountability will be top priority, when we are going to prioritize accountability of individuals. These are people who stole from others. They must be held accountable. They are protecting their interests, not because they are clean, but it's because they know the consequences following after whatever which they've done to the people. So I can tell you that it's becoming more interesting each and every day, because timu iri rarajaira kudya zvapfupi nekureba, and now things are now happening in a different way. Everything which is happening is now against them, so they're trying their own possible to fight for survival. It's a matter of trying to survive, not to expose corruption whatsoever. So isusu tiri kuti chi message tiri kuti general pamwe chete nevamwe venyu nechikwata chenyu, rambai makadzvanya, rambai makabata ipapo. Iwo Temba, kana kune vari kutokuexposa ngavarambe vachikuexposa zvekurevesa chaizvo chaizvo, because your survival cannot be prioritized against the survival of the whole nation. Nyika yese haigoni kuiswa paransom because of individuals like you vakazvara vana kuita sokuti muri kurasirirwa. Unofanira kuzvara vana vaunogona kuchengeta, not kuzvara vana uchitemba kuti hanzi muchazoba mugozochengeta nemari dzekuba. Kutagirei cannot be a president in Zimbabwe, because we know his record. We go back to history, the command agriculture, everything which has happened in the nation of Zimbabwe. He can't be a leader, and you know it. So instead of you supporting the people who are supposed to be leaders in the nation of Zimbabwe, you are busy supporting corruption, because you are beneficiaries of corruption. You are beneficiaries of looting. You are beneficiaries of incompetence of ZANU-PF. So kudya nguva yenyu makadya. It's now time to build a better Zimbabwe, and we are going to build this better Zimbabwe with or without you. So we don't want you to meddle in the affairs of Zimbabwe as a nation. Iwewe usada kumisa zvinhu zvakakosha zvinoitika munyika, simply because you are not the only individual in the nation of Zimbabwe. So this is what is happening. Temba ari kuchema, ari kuridza mere, ari kuti zvinhu zvinomera zvakanaka, and is accusing Bopela of selling out. But the biggest question is, iwewe pachako iwewe kana wakasapota hurumende iripo iyi, yakambopinda sei mupower hurumende yacho iripo iyoyo? Vakawina election kupi vauri kusapota? That is the question which you must answer, Mr. Temba Mliswa. So this is it. This is what we have for you. Continue to watch and see what's happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. Temba aiwa akari kuchema kanonzi karohwa chekuseri kamdara.